Hello and welcome to Motor Mash. This C8 Corvette was caught in a flood and had to have the floodwater drained from the engine. Customer states the engine sounds like a video game. This customer came in concerned about a rattling noise near their suspension. This Toyota Tundra has less than 70,000 miles, but a very sketchy frame. The owner of this vehicle was worried about a spark in their engine bay. This Superbird was unfortunately caught in Hurricane Ian. Customer states, the airbag light is on, only to find every airbag of this Chevy Malibu was removed and connections cut despite no accident reported. This customer declined the mechanic's suggested repairs and wanted only a muffler replacement.
Almost.
This mechanic found a free extension in a customer's tire. Mechanics opened the hood of this Hyundai to find an opossum's bed near this customer's intake.
Hyundais are so good, even opossums are trying to get in them.
This owner came in just for a smog check. Customer states grinding noise coming from the front of their Ford Explorer. This Nissan rolled in with their flywheel fully visible. This customer came in for an engine swap. The mechanic suggested putting their money towards a new car instead.
They want their engine swapped.
Customer states the car won't shift. This owner opted for an oil change only.
Hey, check this out. That's interesting. Oh. Huh. That's cool. Oh boy.